So last night, Jess put my toothbrush in a water bottle and put it in the freezer and pranked me good that way. So I thought I'd get her back with a little bit of this. I bought myself some purple Play-Doh and I bought some Hubba Bubba because I know she loves the purple Hubba Bubba. You've probably already guessed by now. I'm gonna unwrap one of the Hubba Bubbas, get the Play-Doh, make myself a Hubba Bubba, put it in the wrapper, give it to her, and she's gonna eat the Play-Doh. Genius. It says on here, compound not intended to be eaten, but I think will be sweet. It also contains wheat, so if you're a celiac like me, don't eat Play-Doh. That looks kind of similar. Gotta be very delicate. Right, so I've wrapped up the Play-Doh in the little Hubba Bubba wrapper. Now we're just gonna put it back and wait for her to come back, and hopefully she takes the bait. It's Play-Doh!
Sucking my teeth.
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh. That was so good. Oh, the prank wars don't end, Jess. The prank wars don't end.
I really like the taste of Play-Doh.
You're never safe.
Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes.
Honestly, don't play with me, Jess. You're playing with fire. You can't out-prank me.